Hello. Okay, let's do this. I found a dog toy in the tree. Isn't that so interesting? I love nature. I don't want dog toys in my beautiful nature. No. That won't do it. Oh, what's this? Ride in nature? Well, let's just drop kick it across the yard. Yeah. That is, oh, look. Some showed up lamb. No, that will not do. Go. Yeah, pine cone. I love pine cones. Yes, step on the, a football. You just want to put footballs everywhere. Awesome. You stupid dude. I'll tell you what I think of your stupid football. I'll tell the neighbors right over there what I think of your stupid football. Yeah. What I think of your football. Footballs are bad. You kill pigs or cows or something to make your ball to kick and throw, but through a goalpost. No, that's not gonna work. No. You don't want to mess with me. I like nature. I really like nature. This bench, it's in my nature. It won't move. I need more friends. So come join my angry phantom. My angry phantom nature obsessors club. Yeah. Ow! Good Lord. I hurt my shoulder really painfully on like wood. But wood is nature, so nature won't do bad things to me. Because nature loves me. Right, nature? Nature love. Nature is my best friend. Me and nature are in a long-term relationship with each other since the day I was born. Look at that nature. I can rub my face all in it all day. Yeah, nature. What is all this debris in here? It looks like someone pooped a few times. Oh no, girl. That's not gonna do. All these plants are dying. What did I step on? Oh no, you don't, mister. Throwing. Whoa, ha. What is this? Debris and litter in the yard? Oh, you think you're so funny, don't you? Well, you're not. You're just a big butter. Nature has feelings too, you know. Look, this plant is speaking to me in Swedish. Love me, love me. Love me, plant. I love you too. Yeah. Where am I now? The place where they spray paint on nature. Look what a murderer's house this is. I bet this is the home of an angry killer. Yeah, I bet it is. Look at this poor dying tomato. This tomato had something to live for. Like, oh, I don't know, feeding some animals found in nature. Oh, someone thinks they're so hilarious. Putting milk gallon thingies everywhere. That's what this plastic waistband is for. Learn your 3 R's.